Car maintenance. Sounds boring, right? Like watching paint dry or listening to elevator music. But trust me, keeping your car in tip-top shape is crucial. A well-maintained car is a happy car. And a happy car is less likely to break down and leave you stranded on the hard shoulder, desperately flagging for a tow truck. Regular maintenance can save you a lot of dosh in the long run. Think about it. Would you rather spend a bit of money now on an oil change or a lot of money later on a new engine? It's a no-brainer. Plus, a well-maintained car is a safe car. Regular checks and services ensure that everything is working as it should, keeping you and your passengers safe on the road. So don't be a lazy sod. Get out there and show your car some love. Now let's talk about the basics. There are a few routine checks that every car owner should know how to do. First up, checking your oil. This is like giving your car a blood test. The oil keeps the engine running smoothly, so it's vital to check it regularly. Next, tire pressure. Think of your tires like your own shoes. If they're flat, you're not going to get very far. Use a tire pressure gauge to make sure your tires are inflated to the correct pressure. And finally, the brakes. These are pretty important, wouldn't you say? You need to be able to stop when you want to stop, right? If you hear any strange noises or feel any vibrations when you brake, get them checked out immediately. Beyond the basics, there are a few other simple things you can do to keep your car in good nick. First, keep it clean. I'm not talking about entering it into a car show, but a regular wash and wax will do wonders for your car's paintwork. Next, listen to your car. Does something sound off? Is there a new rattle or squeak? Don't ignore it. Cars are pretty good at telling you when something is wrong. And finally, don't be afraid to consult the owner's manual. It's a treasure trove of information about your car. It tells you everything you need to know about maintenance and more. So there you have it. Car maintenance doesn't have to be a chore. A little bit of effort can go a long way. By following these simple tips, you can keep your car running smoothly for miles to come. Remember, a well-maintained car is a reliable car. It's a car you can depend on, and that peace of mind is priceless. So go on, give your car the attention it deserves. You won't regret it.